Holy Spirit, I am tired of walking alone, tired of making choices without your wisdom. Tonight, I surrender my heart, my thoughts, my future. Take control of my life. Lead me when I cannot see the way. Speak when the world becomes too loud. Holy Spirit, breathe on me again. Wea mutsvene yai mugare mumoyo mangu titungamirire tenzi munzira zenyu dzese kana ndikarasika nzira ndidanidzire izvakare ndinoda kutevera imi kwete zvido zvenyama ndipei simba rekumira. Fill my heart with holy fire. Ditongei mazuva ese. Spirit, lead me closer. Holy Spirit, take control. Lead my heart and make me whole. When I'm weak, you are strong. Guide my life where I belong. Breathe on me and change my soul. Holy Spirit, take control. Every step without you fails. Every dream without you fades. Be the voice inside my heart. Never let me drift away. When confusion clouds my mind, be the light that helps me see. Holy Spirit, walk with me till eternity. Till eternity. Deep on be saved. Deep on be saved. Don't let me walk alone. Take the throne inside my soul. Holy Spirit, have your way. Have your way. Have your way. I surrender. Have your way. Everything. Holy Spirit, take control. Heal the broken parts untold. Be the fire in my bones. Never leave me on my own. Guide me through the stormy nights. Fill my darkness with your light. Holy Spirit, take control. Oh, take control. Oh, take control. Oh, take control. Ooh, take control.